got a call from a patient and said, oh, my white blood cell count is low. Do I have leukemia? Do I need to do a bone marrow biopsy? And is your med student Drew going to be the one that does the bone marrow biopsy? And I said, well, I don't think so. Your white blood cell count is low, but this patient was from a certain area, and I thought maybe this patient had DANK. What the heck is DANK?
So DANK, it's an acronym that stands for Duffy null associated neutrophil count. So with these patients, what Duffy is an antigen that can be found on red blood cells. Typically, people have these on their red cells. About 4% of the US population doesn't have this on their red blood cells though. And this is typically found with people of African, Middle Eastern, and West Indian descent.
Yeah, it's named after Mr. Duffy. It was first found, this antigen, in the 1950s in seeing that a lot of people from certain areas had lower white blood cell counts than normal. So does this mean that this person is going to get more infections? Does this person actually have less white blood cells? Should we tell this person to get a bubble and stay in that bubble forever like Bubble Boy?
Actually, we shouldn't. Typically, these people are not at an increased risk of infection, and sometimes any extra workup can be really unnecessary with these patients.
Yeah, it's something we want to look for. Why it is important that we recognize when somebody has a Duffy null negative neutrophil count?
Try to avoid bone marrow biopsies.
Yeah. When looking at someone's absolute neutrophil count, sometimes we determine whether or not someone should be able to get their chemotherapy, whether or not to treat them with more aggressive antibiotics. And if you pick up that this low white blood cell count is DANK, then you're saving them and trying to help better coordinate their care. So now we've learned about DANK.
Like dank memes?
I don't know, what's a DANK meme?
Oh, it's memes that like they hit the spot. They're on point.
When I was growing up, I'm old enough, all they talked about was dank bud. And now we have dank memes, but now that I'm a grown up, we're talking about dank and how it affects your white blood cell count. No, you will not be doing a bone marrow biopsy while you're here, but we're glad you're here.